Do you ever feel like your kitchen is just too small? The counter space is always occupied, cabinets are overflowing, and no matter how much you try to organize, it just feels cramped? Today, I'll walk you through some genius space-saving furniture and solutions that can truly transform your small kitchen. These are practical, stylish, and proven to make your life easier. So, let's get started. 1. Foldable dining tables. One of the biggest problems in small kitchens is where to fit a dining table. A foldable or wall-mounted drop-leaf dining table is the perfect solution. You can keep it folded down when not in use, and simply open it up when it's time to eat. Some designs even come with storage underneath, so you're saving space two ways. Imagine having a cozy breakfast nook in the morning, and then freeing up that space in seconds once you're done. It's a game changer. 2. Multi-purpose kitchen islands. Kitchen islands don't always require huge spaces. Today, you can get compact, movable kitchen islands on wheels. These serve as extra counter space, storage drawers, and even dining space if you add stools. Some islands come with pull-out cutting boards and hidden shelves, making them extremely versatile. The best part? You can roll them away or reposition them whenever needed. It's like having a mini kitchen within your kitchen. 3. Wall-mounted folding chairs and stools. Chairs take up so much room in small kitchens. Instead of bulky chairs, opt for wall-mounted folding chairs or stackable stools. When you're done eating, just fold them flat against the wall or stack them neatly in a corner. Not only does this save space, but it also keeps your kitchen looking clean and uncluttered. 4. Pull-out pantry cabinets. Running out of space for groceries? That's where slim pull-out pantry cabinets come in. They're like hidden drawers between appliances or walls that slide out, holding spices, jars, and dry goods. These are lifesavers in small kitchens because they make use of tight spaces you'd normally ignore. Plus, you can see everything at once, no more digging through deep cabinets. 5. Over-the-sink cutting boards. Counter space is precious in a small kitchen, and one smart solution is an over-the-sink cutting board. These boards fit right over your sink, instantly giving you extra workspace for chopping veggies or prepping meals. Some even come with built-in strainers and containers, so you can wash, chop, and store in one place. It's a clever little hack that makes your kitchen feel twice as big. 6. Nesting cookware and collapsible kitchen tools. Bulky pots, pans, and containers eat up valuable cabinet space. The solution? Nesting cookware that stacks perfectly inside one another. Even better, you can get collapsible colanders, bowls, and measuring cups that fold flat. These are especially helpful for people who love to cook but don't have room for tons of equipment. 7. Magnetic and wall-mounted storage. When floor space is limited, go vertical. Install magnetic strips for knives, wall-mounted spice racks, or hanging rails for utensils. This frees up door space and keeps essentials within arm's reach. Some people even use magnetic shelves that stick to the side of the refrigerator, perfect for spices, oils, or small jars. It's like discovering extra cabinets you never knew you had. 8. Extendable countertops. Many modern kitchen designs now feature pull-out or fold-out countertops. These extensions slide out like drawers and give you instant prep space. Once you're done, you just tuck them back in. Perfect for small apartments where every square inch matters. 9. Under-cabinet pull-down racks. Do you struggle with organizing mugs, spices, or small jars? Under-cabinet pull-down racks are a brilliant way to maximize and use space. They stay hidden until you need them, and then with one pull, you've got a fully organized mini shelf. This makes cooking so much smoother and less stressful. 10. Convertible furniture. One of the coolest innovations is furniture that transforms. For example, a storage cabinet that doubles as a dining table or a slim console table that expands into a buffet. Even benches with hidden storage underneath are great for small kitchens. Convertible furniture ensures you're getting multiple uses from one item instead of cluttering your kitchen with separate pieces. 11. Rolling carts with shelves. Rolling carts are lifesavers in small kitchens. Use them as a coffee station, a snack trolley, or extra pantry storage. When not needed, just roll it into another room. Some even come with charging ports and hooks for utensils, making them mini mobile workstations. 12. Smart corner storage. Corners are often wasted space in kitchens. But with Lazy Susans, pull-out corner drawers, or carousel cabinets, you can turn awkward corners into highly functional storage areas. These systems ensure nothing gets lost in the back of the cabinet, and every inch is put to good use. 13. Space-saving dining benches. One of the smartest alternatives to traditional chairs in a small kitchen is dining benches. Unlike bulky chairs that stick out and take up a lot of room, benches can be neatly tucked under the table when not in use. This instantly frees up floor space, making your kitchen feel more open and less cluttered. And there you have it, genius space-saving furniture and ideas that solve small kitchen problems once and for all. Whether you're living in an apartment, a studio, or just dealing with a compact kitchen, these solutions can completely transform your cooking and dining experience. Remember, a small kitchen doesn't have to mean limited functionality. It just needs smart planning and the right furniture. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more home hacks, and share it with anyone who's struggling with a tiny kitchen.